Okay, so I look like a mess. My hair's already puffy. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the room tour that I always do. So this is the hotel Fiesta Americana Condesa, something like that. But basically, this is the bathroom. That's the door. You walk in the bathroom. There's no really door, and it's see-through glass. There I am, looking a mess. It's a nice sink, water, soap. I think that's the blower down there. No weight thingy where you weigh yourself, which is amazing because I'm going to be eating twice my size. And then it has this little bathroom area which is private, well, toilet area. So it's frosted glass. That is the toilet. Back up a little bit. Towels. And then a walk-in shower with a rain shower head, which I don't think I've ever showered with a rain thingy, so I'm really excited about that. It's gonna feel so good. So then you walk back this way, and it is the closet, which is pretty big. What I can already tell you about this one compared to the now Larimar is that it's very bright. So the one thing about our room is that we needed a king, but that's not available right now, so they just put the two beds together. We're debating if we're going to move again or not. Maybe we'll just end up staying here, because what I like about this is that we have a backyard to this. I'll show you that later on, but I'm assuming you don't. Oh, okay, so this is where the fridge is. Some alcohol, not a lot. I don't care. I stole some desserts. Then you have a little coffee table, all that good stuff. Our luggage, a drawer. Oh, that's where we can put our luggage for now. A nice big size TV. 3 drawers. Then a nice little seating area here. And that's the overall view of the room. Over here though, there's this nightstand. And it has like this little tablet. I don't know what you do with it. It's not doing anything. Press the button. It even has a camera. Okay, that's kind of weird. Nothing's happening though. But cool. TV. Cool phone. Then you back up and you see this cool lamp. And then a nice long mirror for selfies. Cool. Now the main reason I wanted to stay possibly down here is because we get to come outside. We have a nice little seating area, a nice tree, and then the ocean's right there. So it's not that bad. That ocean is so beautiful. Look at the color. I'm about to change and get in there, even though I barely slept. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tour. What's that? Cheers.
Come on, they're gonna go eat.
Como está el restaurante, lo único que a veces hacemos eso morir, llegar en la así, pero es lo más que no podemos. Por eso que yo digo, pero ya deja eso. Así como acá no nos permite saber más.
You're missing your plate.
Bienvenidos al restaurante mexicano, mi nombre es Hugo, voy a tener...
Wait a minute.
What?
This is the same guacamole they serve outside.
Yeah, it's fresh from outside. You want to watch yourself eat?
What's your question?
What time is it?
It's eating breakfast time.
It is. Where's your phone?
Time to eat.
I'd like to eat. Apples and bananas. Okay. Good morning. It is the second day and it is 9:33 and we are about to go eat some breakfast. I didn't vlog much yesterday because I was really tired, but I'll try my best to vlog more today. So let's get the day started. This is breakfast: huevos rancheros, sausage, French toast. What do you got over there? Omelet with cheese, potatoes au gratin, guacamole sauce. This looks so good. And this is our view. Yum. Gracias. So yummy. Of course, I need to post it on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And let's enjoy. Para adentro, para adentro.